In today's video, I am going to teach you how to print an Excel sheet on a 4 full page. If your worksheet does not fit properly when printed, Excel gives you a few simple tools to fix that. The goal here is to make sure your sheet uses a 4 paper, takes up more of the printable space, and fits neatly onto a single page when possible. Start by going to the Page Layout tab in the top menu bar. This area contains the main page setup options for printing, including paper size and margins. Once you are there, look for the Page Setup section on the ribbon and click the Size button. A drop-down list will appear with different paper sizes. From that list, choose a 4. This is important because it sets the worksheet to the correct paper format before you print. Next, click the Margins button, which is right next to the Size button. In the drop-down menu, select Narrow. This reduces the blank space around the edges of the page and gives your spreadsheet more room to fill the sheet. It is a quick way to maximize the printable area without changing your actual data. After that, move to the File tab in the top left corner of Excel. Click it, then select Print from the left sidebar. This will open the Print Preview screen, where you can check how your worksheet will look on the page before sending it to the printer. Taking a moment to review the preview can help you avoid cut-off columns or extra pages. In the Settings section, look for the bottom drop-down menu. In many cases, this is set to No Scaling by default. Click that drop-down, and then choose Fit Sheet on one page. This tells Excel to scale the worksheet so the entire sheet fits onto a single printed page. It is especially useful if your content is slightly too wide or too long for standard printing. Once that setting is applied, review the preview one more time to confirm everything looks correct on the A4 page. If the sheet appears properly fitted and centered in the preview, you are ready for the final step. Click the large Print button at the top of the screen to send your document to the printer. That covers everything you need to know.